Hello everyone, ladies, gentlemen, and other people. We are here because I was thinking that there is always something to talk, and there are always new technologies, new events, new ideas we can talk and share. This time I'm going to talk about free software called Blender. So let's jump into Blender. As you can see, we are in Blender. This is default cube. I'm going to delete this default cube, and the idea of this talk is to create chain. To create chain, we have to create first element of the chain, and we are using torus. We need to rotate this torus 90 degrees using, so when it's rotated to slightly enlarge, extend vertically. So my idea is just to go deeper, slightly rotate it like this, and then having a X-ray. Select the bottom, extend it to the bottom like this, and even something like that. So we have first chain. Now, when we have first chain, we can multiply this element many times. So let's create another chain, just duplicating first one, moving down, and we have to rotate it. See another of this. So we have two, as you can see, two elements of the chain. We can rotate it like that to see different angles. A chain will be connected using a physics rigid body, and for the first one we don't use dynamic. For the second one, rigid body can be dynamic. Both are active, but the first one can't be dynamic. We have to also change collision type to mesh, and this one also collision type. We're going to change the mesh. So now we are going to create really long chain, duplicating this element. But before we will do it, we can even try to play if that chain behaves correctly. As you can see, it's fine. Now we just need to add more elements like that one. So duplicating that one, moving and rotating again 90 degrees. We have perfect pattern. We can now multiply many times down to the bottom. Like that. And one more time. Now, up, see? And one more time. We need more elements of this chain. And one more time, please. It's maybe not the exciting part of this tutorial, and I don't know why I'm talking very quiet. Maybe because it's middle of the night and my neighbors can hear me talking to myself. They will think that I'm crazy, which is not true, of course. I'm not crazy. In this world, I'm the only one sane person. As you can see, our chain is getting longer and longer. I think that's enough. So we have a chain which is very nice. We have to increase the last element of the chain, which could be, for instance, any of, I don't know, maybe cone. Maybe cone will be great. I think cone is gonna be great. Let's move the cone to the bottom. Uh, let's rotate it, of course, 1%, like that, and let's scale it. We have a perfect cone, which is but we have to also join this cone to this line. So select both and Ctrl J is going to do the rest. The thing is, we need to also move this center of gravity to the real center of this cone, so let's set the region to this real mass. As you can see, now we can try to play if this chain is not breaking at some point. As you can see, the chain is not breaking. It's amazing. So we need at this point just slightly rotate everything. I mean this bit, or I guess this should be rotated. Yeah, nice. Let's rotate it. Oh, that's incorrect. Let's change mode to free cursor, and now let's rotate it. Yeah. As you can see, we lost in there that visual connection. So let's move slightly this part like that. Okay, that's gonna be fine. Now let's play this beat and have a look. It's, oh, fantastic! But it's moving very slow. It's moving very slow. So in a sampling, we have rigid body world and this property called speed. We can speed up this 5 times, for instance. There you go. It's amazing chain. Congratulations. We have amazing chain. In next part, I will explain how to add more stuff which will make the whole scene more exciting. At this point, I'm going to tell you good night and see you next time. Yeah?